So I'm going to explain on the origin of giants. Where did giants came from? And if you have your Bible, go to Genesis chapter 6 and read. And it came to pass when men began to multiply on the face of the earth, and daughters were born unto them, the sons of God, so that the daughters of men were fair, and they took wives of all which they chose. Took according to their choosing, they took whoever they chose, because they were seeing that the daughters of men are fair. And I'm going to start explaining on the daughters of men. The daughters of men are the daughters of Cain. They came from the line of Cain. Those are the daughters of men that the Bible is referring to here. And we go to the sons of God. The sons of God are the sons of Seth. The line that goes down, the sons of Seth. These are the daughters. These are the sons of God, right? Are the sons of Seth. And then the daughters of men are the daughters of Cain. So they were now painting their faces, making them to look good. These are the daughters of what? Of Cain. Making artificial beauty. This was in the time of Noah, chapter 6, because this is the man that found favor in the sight of God. God wanted to wipe men on the face of the earth, but Noah found favor with God. This man called Noah was righteous, the one that found favor. And then there was the building of an ark, and the human race saved because of Noah. So here, the sons of God are the sons of Seth. The sons of Seth were now lasting on the daughters of Cain. And then when these two mixed, that is when giants emerged. I want to explain. Why am I saying the sons of Seth took the daughters of Cain, and now giants emerged? That's the question. We go back in Eden. There was a man called Adam and a woman called Eve, and there was there was this beast called the serpent. The serpent took advantage of the woman and implanted a seed. That is when Cain was born. So here is what happened. Abel is the son of Adam. Cain is the son of the serpent. And then Cain kills Abel. And then God remembers Adam again and gives him another son called Seth. So Seth, the sons of God, that is where the sons of God came in, the line of Seth. And then the daughters of men, the daughters of Cain, when these two mixed, that is when giants were born, men of renown, men with great minds. Were born men with great minds. When these two mixed, and giants emerged because of these two breeds, because the other one was pure, the other one was impure. When they mixed now, the serpent seed and this breed, it was now a hybrid, and the giants emerged, men of renowned knowledge. You read the Genesis chapter 6, it gives you uh, these giants. He talks about these giants, and God repented that he had made men and he wanted to wipe them on the face of the earth. That is when the flood of Noah came, the flood that made the earth to shake and not to stand on its axis. Is the flood of Noah, which was caused because of the wickedness of man. Ages had moved, because if we count from Adam to down to Enoch, we go to the seventh age. And on the seventh age, Enoch walks with God, and he is not seen on the earth. He's taken away, he's translated. And when he's translated now down, he's his son, then the line down, we have now Noah. So, which means it was in the last days of that time had moved. The civilization, they've everything, and now the daughters of Cain were now making themselves beautiful by artificial beauty, by painting their faces. And now the sons of Seth, they lasted on these sons of men. The sons of God now lasted on the daughters of men, which are the daughters of Cain, the Canaanites. And then the sons of Seth, these married the daughters of men, and giants emerged, men of renowned knowledge, men, high-minded men, and they started doing evil, and men had multiplied on the face of the earth. So this one was I was giving you the origin of giants, where they came from. They did not came from angels. Angels had no bodies. Here in this equation, these are not angels. The sons of God are not angels laying with the daughters of men to produce giants. No, it's the sons of God, which are the sons of Seth, and the daughters of men, which are the daughters of Cain. These two are the ones that made giants, these breeds, because there were two breeds now. Cain had a line, Seth had a line going down. And when they started marrying between these two lines, that is when the serpent seed went in, and there was a hybrid between a pure breed and then the breed of the serpent. And when these two started mixing, and we got giants here.